everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a project share for you and this is a mini journal. This is my design theme project for Nathalie of LineDotArrow, and the digital kit that I used here to complete this mini journal is the Magical Tea Party, which is a very beautiful kit. I will provide the link of Nathalie's Etsy shop in my description, so please check it out. Again, the kit is very lovely, full of beautiful images of fairies and teacups. I had fun putting this mini junk journal together and I hope that you will like this as well. So this is small. The size is 7.5 by 4.5 inches with only one signature. This has plenty of journaling cards and tags inside and enough space for journaling. I made a couple of charms here using the sentiments from the digital kit, and it says fairy magic. And of course, this can be removed. The closure is sari trim and this is not attached to the cover. And so this is the front cover. Beautiful image from the kit. The spine is a lace and this is the back. This page has a pocket with a couple of tags. Look at these images, very beautiful fairies. And I did a lot of stitching as well to complete this mini journal. On this page is a fairy house. This is my entry to the anniversary challenge of Nathalie. We had some freebies, so that's what I did, and it's a tag and I just made it into a page. Here's another tag. Added some butterflies here also from the kit. And you can see that I decorated the tags and the edges with laces and trims and saris and seam bindings. All the back of the journaling cards and the tags are good for journaling. So I'll continue to do the flip through. I'll play some music and hope that you enjoy. I will be back before the end of this video. hope that you like this mini junk journal. Thank you so much for staying with me. Again, the Magical Tea Party is a beautiful kit by LineDotArrow, and I hope that you can check Nathalie's Etsy shop. The link will be in my description. I know that I am behind on my projects for LineDotArrow, and the reason is because I am taking another role in the company where I work for, and it's just too much to learn. At this point, I'm on training, so I'm behind on my projects. But thanks again so much for appreciating my work and for staying with me and for subscribing. So here you go, everyone. This is my design team project. Again, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below as well. And if you are not part of my YouTube family, I hope that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join my family. So again, thank you. Take care. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.